I'll catch this bird for you, but it ain't gonna be easy. It's bad fish. Not like going down the pond chasing bluegills or tommy carps.
Piece of wood in there. Enough of that tumor. So I just took this side panel off, and I can see that it does not have any quick disconnects on there, but it does have the straight pipe on there, which I like. Wow, is this thing dirty? It's like somebody put a K&N filter in it. Oh yeah, it's filthy. The thing I like to do is write the mileage on the filter itself, the current mileage. The mirrors are completely hosed. They don't even hold on a little bit anymore. That's got to come off of there. And the other thing that broke off was on this side. There used to be a light that was on there, so one of the things that I'll be doing on this bike is removing all of the wiring for the lights that were underneath here. As you can see, the light on this side, not a good thing. I don't know if this one's screwed in as well. Yeah, somebody put a bolt way up where it's really difficult to get to. If you guys want to see any of the how-to videos on taking care of some of these things on your own bike, I will try my best to put links to what I've done or am currently doing down in the description that will direct you over to the appropriate videos that I've already covered. Anyway, I'm going to take this cover off here because I want to do a little bit of an inspection before I roll this thing back outside and give it a thorough cleaning. It does show there's some evidence right here. You probably cannot make that out on the video right now, but there's some evidence here of some oil or grease or something right between the transmission and the transmission housing. It may need a rear main seal. It probably does. This bike is a 2000, got 48,000 miles on it. It's right there. I've seen it too many times where I've got to put in a rear main seal and then, you know, probably put in a new clutch too. So whoever's going to get this bike is going to get a fantastic rebuilt bike. So it's going to have a new clutch in it probably, and everything will be done. Well, that about tells the story right there. That's a lot of work, but whatever. It's going to be a good bike for someone out there, and might as well change it, make it nice and fresh and new for someone. So that'll be an upcoming video. This is what I found so far. Going from the front, the steering damper is dead, so that's got to get refilled. I would redo that anyway. I have changed the shocks, the springs out of the shocks, put on some Hyper Pro springs. It's extremely dirty. This thing is a filth monster. I can't believe my hands should not look like that when I'm working on a bike. The next thing I'm doing is putting the front tire on and rolling it outside and washing it off, because this thing is crazy to work on. It's so dirty, but it will be clean. I haven't really run into anything that's really surprising. The battery was underpowered. It was a relatively new battery, but the guy put in a battery that was not really meant for the LT. It was a pretty low amperage battery, and it would really crank over hard. So I'm putting a different battery in it. I did change out the K&N filter. I need to change out the brake line still. So that's where I'm at right now. If you want to follow along, make sure you subscribe. I'm going to put probably Shark Bike in the title of every one of the videos that has to do with this particular bike, even though it won't be looking like a shark forever. And also, if you want to help out in any way, please go check out my Patreon page at patreon.com/KirkJohnson. That's how you can help me out directly. Not necessarily with this bike per se, but if you just appreciate these videos and how they're being made, can help out, that'd be awesome. So, guys, thanks so much for watching, and I will see you on the next one.
As to swimming with bow-legged women.